Once you've found the thickness range of your material using the material thickness gauge, you can set the thickness stops on the Pocket-Hole jig. On 300 series jigs, that's done with this gray thickness stop on the underside of the jig. Setting it's easy. Just squeeze against the jig and slide the stop until it clicks into place and you see the number through the window on top of the jig that matches the thickness range you saw on the gauge. So you can easily set it for 1/2 inch material, 3/4 inch material, or material in that 1.5 inch range. And remember, if you're using 2 drill guides together, you want to be sure to set both stops to the same setting.